Hi girls, how are you? So this is a short video on turtle multiplication just for you to practice, okay? Just so you can remember the steps when you're practicing. What is turtle multiplication? Turtle multiplication is when we do our multiplication in 2 steps instead of 1 step. See, this is normal 1-step multiplication. 66 times, let's say 4. I multiply these two. 4 times 6 is 24. So 4 goes down, 2 goes up. 4 times 6 is 24 again, and 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, your answer is there in 1 step. So that's normal 1-step multiplication. Turtle multiplication is when we do it in 2 steps. So first question, how do you know, do I have to do turtle multiplication or normal multiplication? You do that by looking at the number on the bottom. 42. How many digits does 42 have? 1, 2. It has 2 digits. When you have 2 digits, you have to do 2 steps. Okay, it's as simple as that. Next year, we're going to be learning about 3 digits. So when we have 3 digits, we do 3 steps. 4 digits, 4 steps. Okay? So 2 digits means 2 steps. 2 steps means turtle multiplication. So all you have to do is look at the number on the bottom. Okay, it's as easy as that. Look at the number on the bottom. If it's more than 1 digit, you have to do turtle multiplication. That's it. Alright, so what is turtle multiplication? Step 1, draw a turtle head. Okay? Why do we draw this turtle head? We need to split up the 42 into 2 parts. Okay? So this just helps us split that thing up. So the turtle head will include the 66 and the first digit, the 2. Okay? So this is our turtle head. You can give it an eye, you can give it a mouth, you can give it whatever you want. Go for it. Make yourself happy. Now what? Okay, so we drew our turtle head. Now we start multiplying. Okay? So the next step is to multiply. What do we multiply? We're going to pretend this question is 66 times 2. So first we multiply the 2 with this 6. Okay? 2 times 6 is 12. So 2 goes down, 1 goes up. Then we multiply the 2 with this 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay? That's it. Step 3. Cross out everything we finished using. Cross out everything we already used. So what did we already use? We already used this 2, we don't need it anymore, and we already used this 1, we don't need that anymore either. Okay? So now what do we need? Let me get rid of these 2 arrows. Okay. What's step number 3? Step number 3 is multiply. Sorry, it's not multiply. Step number 3 is lay a turtle egg. Okay? Turtle egg. What does that mean? This neck of the turtle is going to lay an egg. Okay? It's going to put a 0 right over here in this line, right underneath the 2. Okay? Now, step number 4, multiply the other digit. Multiply the other digit. Okay, what's the other digit? The other digit is 4. I'll change the ink color again so you guys know what's happening. Okay, now we're going to start multiplying with this 4 here. 66 times 4. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply this way. 4 times 6. Do not multiply it with this 6 first. That's wrong. You have to do 4 times this 6. So what's 4 times 6? It's 24. So the 4 goes down. This space is already used up by a 0, so we have to put the 4 here. And the 2 goes up. Okay? Now this one, 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 26. Okay? Last step is to add. Now we just have to add up these two numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. There's nothing here, so that means 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. So the answer is 2,772. Alright, so we're going to take another example now. Let's do no, we already did 60. Okay, we'll do 76 times 34. Okay, we're going to multiply this. Step number 1, draw a turtle head. Okay, draw a turtle head. Step number 2 is to multiply. So we start with 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 goes down, 2 goes up. Then 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. Okay, so we finished multiplying. Step 3, cross out everything we already used. We used this 4, we don't need it anymore. We used this 2, we don't need it anymore. Okay, then let me change the ink color. First, get rid of these 2. Okay. Alright, so step 3 is the turtle egg. So the turtle egg will be laid over here in the first place, underneath the 1s. Alright, step 4, multiply the other digit. What's the other digit? We finished using the 4, so now we're going to use the 3. So we start with 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, so 8 goes down, 1 goes up. Then 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So a 2 over here, another 2 over here. Okay, what's the last step? Add. So we just have to add these two numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 8 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Nothing plus 2. Nothing means 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. There's your answer. Okay? Now I want you to pretend something. Pretend we had, instead of a 0, pretend we had let's say 7 over here. Okay? Pretend when we did our multiplication we got a 7 over here. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Then 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is what? It's 15. So 5 over here and the 1 goes up over here. Okay? Don't take it all the way up there. The 1 goes up over here. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Nothing plus 2 is 2. Okay? So when we're multiplying, both of these steps, when we're multiplying, the digits get carried up here. Once we finish multiplying, we don't even care about these numbers anymore. Now we're just adding. We only care about these numbers. So when we need to carry anything, we'll carry it up here. Okay, so this is turtle multiplication. These are the 5 steps we need to do. Okay, these are the absolute essential basic 5 steps that you need to do. Alright, and there's no understanding in this, honestly. If you understand multiplication, that's it. It's just practice. You need to practice it again and again and again until you have the steps memorized.